So Ether.fi is a new liquid staking protocol on Ethereum. There are two things that make Ether.fi unique. The first is that it's the only staking protocol where the stakers actually hold their keys. In other liquid staking protocols, the node operators control the keys, and that introduces risk. With Ether.fi, the stakers control the keys. The second thing that makes Ether.fi unique is that it is the first liquid restaking token. So restaking is the hottest new trend in Ethereum and Ethereum staking. And it presents an opportunity to generate additional yield on your staking reward. And so with Ether.fi, if you hold our EETH liquid staking token, it's automatically restaked. You don't need to do anything extra. You just automatically accrue staking rewards, restaking rewards, and then loyalty points, all without having to do any extra work. So currently, restaking is still something that will happen in the future. Right now, there's nothing live on mainnet that's generating additional rewards for restaking. If things go according to plan, in the next 6 months to a year, we're going to start seeing additional rewards coming from restaking, and those will automatically accrue to Ether.fi's liquid staking token, EETH. Currently, the motivation, the benefit for using ETH is that you're collecting loyalty points. We were looking for available domain names that were really punchy, and Ether.fi was somehow available, and so we bought it and said we're going to organize the brand around that. Obviously it's a pretty strong domain, and so we actually own a bunch of ether.something domains. We own ether.fan, ether.game, ether.whatever, and so we're going to be launching kind of companion brands to Ether.fi, which would basically be projects that are built on top of Ether.fi. The first of these is ether.fan, which is an NFT collection backed by staked ETH, which gamifies the process of staking. So that's actually already launched, and we have 6,000 or so NFT holders that are staking that way. So something fun and interesting about Ether.fi is that, like so many crypto projects and companies, we are registered in the Cayman Islands. But Ether.fi, we actually are we physically live in the Cayman Islands. So 4 of us are based in Cayman, including myself. I've been living there for the last 2 years. It's awesome. I highly recommend it. Anybody that wants to come on down and get a tour. There's a ton of other projects that actually have physical presence there, including companies like Aave, Brave, Chainlink, and a few others. So we've got a little crypto community going there. Ultimately, the only advantage a small upstart like Ether.fi has is being able to move quickly and ship product faster than others. So our big thing that we were able to do faster than anybody else is to roll out a liquid restaking token. With other protocols, if you want to get the benefits of restaking, you have to lock up your ETH. So if you're using STETH or RETH, you have to lock it up, which kind of goes back to the old days of staking before liquid staking tokens. And so then you can't use it in DeFi. But with Ether.fi, being first to market with the liquid restaking, users can do all the normal fun, degen stuff that they would do in DeFi with a liquid staking and restaking token. So I think the hope and the only sustainable bull run in crypto has to be driven by actual value creation, right? I mean, it's almost a cliche at this point to talk about the fact that, crypto and DeFi is just like the same, 5 guys with a couple thousand wallets just swapping tokens back and forth. That's obviously not a recipe for a sustainable bull run or future. I mean, that's a recipe for a casino, which is what most of crypto has been for, since the beginning. So ultimately, actual value creation, meaning real world assets, income generating properties need to be tokenized, need to be brought on chain, integrated into DeFi and crypto. And so ultimately, that's what has to drive the next bull run that's going to be sustainable. And we're starting to see that happen, obviously, with tokenized treasuries and the first little bits of real estate that are getting tokenized. So that is the driver. As this stuff grows, it's going to lead to higher staking rewards, because staking rewards naturally benefit from more and more on-chain activity. And if we believe that trillions of dollars of assets are going to come on-chain, that's going to lead to more activity and more rewards for staking that accrue to Ethereum. And then we obviously stand to benefit from it directly as a staking protocol and from various other projects that we will launch on top of Ether.fi as a staking protocol.